Hello everyone. I have one more quick video for you today. I really hope you watch this. It'll make your life easier. As I mentioned last week, I have to distribute Google Classroom assignments a little bit differently for the month of May because you are writing in your COVID journal every single day. And instead of giving you a new COVID journal every single day, I want to give you the same one so that you can see what you were writing, so that by the end of this, you can have access to every single one of your entries in one spot, almost like we're writing in a composition book back in class. But in order to do that, I have to push out my assignments. I have to assign them a little differently. So I'm using FIRE's Google Classroom as an example. I'm asking you not to look at Stream anymore. When you log on to Google Classroom, please don't pay attention to Stream. That's going to be a little confusing. Instead, for the month of May, what I'm asking you to do is hit Classwork. So you'd click Classwork. There, you will find each day is its own topic. So today, when I'm recording this video, it says Tuesday, May 12th. It has 3 things. I expect you to at least look at all of them. What's helpful is whenever it's just a material, that means you do not have to turn it in. I just want you to read or look at it. It's going to look like this. It's going to have that like little bookmark here. If it's an assignment that I expect you to turn in, then it will look like this. Okay, it'll have that rectangle with lines on it, almost like it's a clipboard that someone's taking notes on. So you have 2 assignments today and 1 material. Material, don't turn in. Assignments, do turn in. So every day from now on, this is how I will distribute your assignments. It'll be under a category of that day. And I expect you to look at all of these. If you click on them, they may have directions in them, but they'll be a lot shorter than the previous directions, okay? That's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions. I will be going over this in Google Meet this week, okay?